Picture this. It's the middle of the night, and you catch a glimpse of someone lurking near your front door on your phone's live feed. Is your camera crisp enough to identify them, or will you be left squinting at shadows? If you're investing in home security, you deserve a camera that delivers the details, without the headaches of tricky installation or pricey add-ons. In this video, we're putting the Wyze Cam V4 and the TP-Link Tapo C420S2 head-to-head, so you can make a confident, informed choice. And remember, if you're ready to take action today, we've got handy Amazon links right in the description to help you find the perfect fit. Stay tuned! The Wyze Cam V4 comes in strong with its 2.5K QHD resolution, a step above the standard 2K mark, ensuring that every detail, from facial features to small objects, is captured with striking clarity. Its wide dynamic range, WDR, helps balance out tough lighting scenarios, making sure bright areas don't get washed out and dark corners don't lose important detail. Meanwhile, the TP-Link Tapo C420S2 matches the competition with its crisp 2K QHD resolution, 2560 by 1440 pixels. While that's technically just a hair below the Wyze's specs, it's still going to look sharp and clear, especially if you're monitoring a large indoor space, a backyard, or a driveway. Its 113 degrees field of view is wide enough to cover a generous portion of your home's surroundings. In everyday use, these differences are subtle. Yes, the Wyze Cam V4 might nudge ahead in pure resolution, but most people won't notice much of a difference in real-world scenarios. Nighttime security is where some cameras falter, but both the Wyze Cam V4 and the Tapo C420S2 rise to the occasion. The Wyze Cam V4 offers enhanced color night vision. If you ever need to identify the color of a suspect's clothing or the details on a parked vehicle in the dark, this feature can be a huge plus. On the other side, the Tapo C420S2's starlight sensor and built-in spotlights also produce full-color night vision. Plus, it comes equipped with 850 nanometers IR LED illumination, offering visibility up to 49 feet in near darkness. Essentially, both cameras excel when the lights go out. Whether it's the Wyze's crisp color detail or the Tapo's impressive reach, either way, you're set for clear nighttime coverage. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you're finding this breakdown helpful so far. We've got plenty more comparisons and security tips coming up, and we want you to stay in the loop. You'll want to consider how and where your footage gets stored. The Wyze Cam V4 gives you a few solid choices. There's local storage via a microSD card that supports up to 512 gigabytes, so you can record continuously without additional fees. If you prefer the flexibility of cloud storage, Wyze offers a Cam Plus subscription service. Meanwhile, the Tapo C420S2 also supports local storage on the hub with a microSD card, up to 512 gigabytes as well, and features its own cloud storage option through Tapo Care. With both options, you can easily tailor the storage method to match your budget and privacy preferences, whether that means keeping everything on your own card or signing up for extra features through the cloud. A camera is only as useful as its ability to alert you when something's off. The Wyze Cam V4's motion detection system can send notifications to your phone when it senses activity. If you opt into the Cam Plus subscription, you unlock person detection and package detection, offering a more refined way to know exactly what's triggering your alerts. The Tapo C420S2 makes things interesting by including AI-powered motion detection right out of the box. It's built to distinguish between people, pets, and even vehicles, sending real-time notifications that help you understand what's happening without needing a subscription. That's a great cost-saving feature, perfect if you want more detailed motion alerts without recurring fees. Installation and power supply can be deal breakers if you have limited power outlets or tough installation spots. The Wyze Cam V4 is a wired camera, so it'll need a constant power source. The upside here is that once it's plugged in, you'll never have to worry about recharging it, and its IP65 rating means it'll hold up fine indoors or outdoors. On the flip side, the Tapo C420S2 is battery-powered, running for up to 180 days on a single charge. That flexibility lets you place it practically anywhere without worrying about cables. It's also IP65 rated, so it'll handle the elements without issue. The convenience of going wire-free can't be overstated, especially if you want to monitor areas where power isn't easily accessible. The Wyze Cam V4 hovers around $35.98. For that price, you're getting a reliable, high-resolution camera that's budget-friendly, easy to install, and feature-packed. The Tapo C420S2, priced at about $199.99, is more of a system. It comes with 2 cameras and a hub. While that's a bigger initial investment, you're essentially getting a more comprehensive setup right out of the gate. If you've got a larger property or multiple areas to cover, the cost may be well worth it in the long run. Both the Wyze Cam V4 and the TP-Link Tapo C420S2 bring a ton of value to the table. The Wyze Cam V4 is perfect for anyone on a tighter budget who still wants stellar image quality, night vision, and the option for plenty of local storage. The Tapo C420S2, though pricier, offers the convenience of a wire-free installation, advanced AI motion detection without extra fees, and a dual camera package that's ready to go from day one. Ask yourself what matters most. Are you looking for absolute affordability and a single camera solution to start with? Or do you want that easy, flexible, and more comprehensive coverage right away? Once you know what you need, it's easier to pick between these 2 excellent options. For more information, or to get your hands on one of these cameras, be sure to check the Amazon links in the description below. And if you found this comparison useful, definitely stay tuned. Our next video will dive into the features of the Wyze 4K dash cam, so you won't want to miss it.